Hi there, let's take a look at using the eText to read our chapter material. So you can see I'm already in our course's Blackboard site. At the left-hand side, I'm going to go ahead and click directly on My IT Lab, which will then give me a link for the My IT Lab course content. So I'm going to click that and let that window load. If that window doesn't load, it means that you have to take the time to allow the pop-up windows to be enabled, and that's a whole separate video. You can go find that one. When you advance to My IT Lab, then it'll automatically take you to the course materials, and you can scroll down until you see Exploring Microsoft Excel Comprehensive eText. Click that link. Another new window will appear. Make sure that that one shows up. Again, you might have to enable pop-ups for that one. Use the click here link to advance then to the eText. Now the entire eText will load on the screen. So what you have to do is just advance from page to page. Once it loads on my screen, I'm going to advance until I see the table of contents, and then I'll click on the link that'll take me directly to the Excel portion of the book. So down here in the lower right corner, I'll just advance from page to page until I see the table of contents. And that way then I can skip right ahead to the Excel section. Our textbook begins with an overview of Microsoft Office, and that's not required for our class, so we can go straight to the Excel part, and I need you to start on chapter 1. So I can click right there. It'll advance me to that part, and then you just read the text as you normally would. All of our homework assignments, including the hands-on assignments, assume that you have already read the chapter first. So get this reading done first, then proceed to the hands-on. After that, you've got your mid-levels and your capstones. Email me if you have any questions.